May pips be upon you. Hey, look, Euro USD. I had this markup in my weekly forecast that I put out this past Sunday, and we are where I thought price would come, and we also have the stochastics. Any oscillator will probably have this in an oversold position, which is great for confirmation, right? But what do we at here? We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. All right. We waited for price. You can see that price is basically, let's take a wider look. You can see it, price is in an uptrend, right? All right. We broke lower, made a lower high here, lower low, down to here, right? But we didn't break these lows, which is great because that would have constituted a break of structure for me. All right, this is a break of structure here, a break of minor structure. We came back, we retested it and went lower, but we broke back above. We broke back above this key level of support and resistance, and we turned resistance into support, and we went higher, breaking this high. So now we take a closer look where we're at now. Okay. Once we broke back up into the higher range, the higher trading range, all right, we made this this double, triple top, whatever you want to call it up here. This is a double top for me. All right, we broke down lower, all right, and we have found ourselves at a retracement level on the Fibonacci at the 618, which is aligned with this structure, strong support. So I am looking for confirmations at this level. This is what we need. We need some confirmations at this level. All right. Where am I going to get those confirmations? Let me tell you right now. All right. Don't play around with confirmations. All right. Take a strong confirmation. A 4-hour candle close above the high of this candle. This is an inside candle. A 4-hour close above the high of this candle for me I would consider a strong indication that there's a high probability price will continue higher. All right. We're getting rejections. This is what I want to see. You want to see this impulse start to exhaust. Okay. And exhaustion is rejection. We want to see rejections. I get another rejection like this from this level like these. See that rejection there? Bam! All right. You want to see rejections. You want to see exhaustion and then followed by rejection candles. Those little dojis like this one. You see another one of those? That's great. But you want to see, there you go. You want to see price. I want to see anyway, price continue past this point. I want to see a bullish engulfer, a bullish momentum candle close beyond the highs here. You see, this is a very important point here. All right, this little area here for me. So a better close would be above this. A more conservative viewpoint, because you don't have to be first. You don't have to catch the bottoms and tops. You catch the meat of the move. We're going this way, folks. So if you get in here, it's cool. It's aggressive, but it's cool. All right. If you get in here, it's a more conservative and still cool. As long as you catch the meat of the move. All right. You don't have to catch it here. Okay. So bear those things in mind. And let's keep an eye on this thing. And I'll see you in the next video. Hey, leave me a like, will you? Huh? What is it going to hurt? Huh? You want to see more free content, more free education, more free analysis? Encourage it, and support this channel. Support my postings, man. That's all I'm asking.